Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Our today's lesson is about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Before that, we need to understand a few terms. In a fraction, like 1 over 2. In mathematics, this fraction, 1 over 2, it means 1 divided by 2. The upper number is called numerator, and the lower number here is called denominator. Therefore, if you are given fractions to multiply, how do you go about it? We'll be mentioning oftenly numerator and denominator. So let's start solving our examples. So in our first example here, we have the first fraction here and the second fraction. Our first fraction, the numerator is 3, the denominator is 5. On our second fraction here, the numerator is 7 and our denominator is 8. Therefore, when we are multiplying fraction by fraction, it is the easiest, unlike when you are doing addition or subtraction. Remember, when you're doing addition or subtraction, you need to get the LCM. But here, we don't require LCM. What we're supposed to do is multiply the upper numbers and get an answer. Then, multiply the lower numbers. And our upper numbers, we call them numerators. So, multiply the numerator. And our numerator is 3 and 7. Therefore, 3 times 7 is 21. Our denominators are 5 and 8. And 5 times 8 is 40. And that is our answer. If you look at our answer and you realize that there isn't common divisor to simplify, you stop there. Let's proceed to our second example. Our numerators are 2 and 1. Therefore, 2 times 1 is 2. And 5 times 3 is 15. If I look at my answer, 2 is an even number, 15 is an odd number. So they don't have any common divisor. So I leave my answer like that. Let's do our third example. Our numerators here are 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 12. When I look at my numerator here, it's an even number, and my denominator is an even number. So they have a common divisor. And the common divisor is 4. When I divide numerator by 4, and here by 4, I'll get 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And my answer will be a third. Another question. Also in this case, our numerators are 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Again, look at your answer. This even. So that is, they have a common divisor. And my common divisor is 6. So when I divide 6 by 6, I get 1. And 24 divided by 6, I get 4. And now my answer is a quarter. You can as well be given 3 fractions to multiply them. And in this fraction, you can see one of the fraction here is improper fraction. So there is no problem with that. So you can as well multiply, so long we are multiplying the numerators and also the denominators. So let's start by multiplying our numerators. It is 3 times 5, which is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. Let's multiply our 3 denominators. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Then numerator and denominator are the same. How do we call such a fraction? This is a whole number. So 30 divided by 30 is 1. And the answer is 1. On this question, we have been told that Hope bought 3/4 kilogram of sugar and used a sixth of it to bake a cake. What fraction of a kilogram of sugar was used for the cake? In this question, you can see a sixth of. In mathematics, of means multiplication. Therefore, a sixth of 3/4. A sixth of. So, it's a sixth times 3/4. These are our numerators. So 1 times 3 is 3. And 6 times 4, it's 24. And as you can see, our numerator and our denominator can have a common divisor. As you can see in our answer, 3 and 24 have a common divisor. And the common divisor is 3. So let's divide the numerator by 3 and also the denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 3, it's 1. 24 divided by 3, it's 8. And therefore, our answer is an eighth of a kilogram. So she used 1/8 kilogram in baking of that cake. I wish you the best, and kindly remember to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. Also continue practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.